So in the diagram we're told here that BC, you can see the line on it, BC is parallel to DE. Go over them, find the value of the angle BCA, so the letter C, BCA, here we are here, well that corresponds to this one, so that's equal to 72 degrees, and you would write corresponding ADE, so ADE, here's D, it's coming from this direction, ADE, so this angle up the top here, we have two angles in the triangle, we have 34 and we have 72, so 180 minus 34 minus 72 is the angle ADE. Use the terminology they give you, so that's going to be equal to 180 minus 106, which is going to be 74 degrees. Now we're told a ratio, so we're told that AD to BD. AD, just be really careful, so the full length, I'll just rub this guy out too, the full length AD that's 5, AD is a 5 and BD is a 2. So that's a 2, that's a 5, that would make this one a 3. So we can say the same on the other side, that AC will be a 3. And then EC will be a 2, ratio of their length, and the whole thing will be a 5. And we're told AC is 15. So find the ratio AB to BD. Well, AB we can see here, AB is 3 over here. So we have 3, 2, BD, you can see here is 2. Now we're asked to find CE, so we're asked to find this one here. Well, we're told AC, aren't we? AC is 15. So 3 represents 15, so 1 unit will be 5, so 2 units will be 10. So this guy would have to be 10, this guy's 15. And then finally, is AD equal to 5? Is AD equal to 5? Let's have a look again. This whole thing here, is that 5? Well, in this triangle, the triangle, the longest side is opposite the biggest angle. 72 is the biggest angle in the triangle. So we can say no, AD is not equal to 5 because it's opposite the biggest angle, and the bottom length is 25. So there's no way that AD can be 5. This diagram of question 12 shows the triangle PQR, where QR is parallel to ST. Here we have them. Find the value of X. Okay, well, this angle here corresponds to this one. So that's 80. So I could say that the 3x plus the 2x, that has to be equal to 180. Take away 80. So 5x would be 100. So x will be 20. If PS is equal to 50. Okay, let's have a look here. PS is 50. And PQ is 80. PQ is 80. That means that this one is 30. And PT is 70. Find PR, so the full one. So let's call this, we've used X in the question, let's call it Y. So start with our unknown Y, the full length over PT, which is 70, is equal to the full length, 80, over, what's the equivalent of PT? This one here, which is 50. So 50Y is equal to 80 by 70. 50Y is equal to 5600. So Y is equal to 560 over 5. Y is equal to 112. Okay, question 13. They've created a swimming pool or a lake. He wants to row across a lake. I thought this said with his dignity, but it says in his dinghy from point A to point B. Right, let's mark that A to B. He wants to go from there to there. The points E, D, and C represent navigation buoys placed on the lake, and Earl knows that point A is 250 from E, A from E, 250 for this one. He has calculated the distances as shown in the diagram, and we have them here. The full length being 750 and this bottom length being 325. So assuming they're parallel, ED and BC, calculate the distance he rode across the lake to the nearest meter. So we're looking for AB here. He's gone from A to B over here. So AB, we'll call it AB. We're looking for AB over, we have the top part. That is going to be 250 is equal to the full length, 750 over the top part, this guy here, let's just call it X for a minute. It's going to be 750 minus the 325. So that's going to be equal to 425. So 425 times AB is equal to 250 times 750. I'll divide that by the 425, cancel this, and just use my calculator here. That is not working out evenly. 441.176. And it says to the nearest meter, so 441 meters. If you rode an average speed of 30 meters per minute, how long did it take him to row from A to B? Well, he rode 441 meters at a speed of 30 per minute, so it's just going to take him a bit over 10 minutes. A good bit over 10 minutes, 10 300 is going to be 14.7, which is 14 minutes, and 7 sixes are 42 seconds. And that's the last part of these questions on Theorem 12.